Ciao, fellow Vita comrades, and welcome! Recently, we have received amazing Sonic Mania Vita Port. Now, 3DS users can also enjoy it on their handhelds. Today, we are comparing both versions side by side, so let's get cracking! First and foremost, huge thanks to the developers, like always, it's greatly appreciated. Rubber Ducky Coolie for the decompilation, Saturn SH for 3DS port, and Sonic Master for the Vita port. If you wanna install the 3DS port, you're gonna need new 2DS or 3DS, old ones are not supported. And it's basically the same process like on the Vita. Get the game files, move it into the 3DS folder, and install CIA via FBI, and job done. Shout out to the Lopez Tutorials, I was following his YouTube video. It is in Spanish, but it's pretty straightforward, so link for his video is down below in case you want to check it out. Now to the performance. 3DS port has been just released, so I think we should be glad it even runs. It is in early stages of development, so is the Vita port, but that one has more resources available, so there is a little bit of advantage in there. Loading times on the 3DS are abysmal, from launching the game to in-game loading, and even when you skip the cutscene it loads like 20-30 seconds, whereas all of the Vita loading is almost instantaneous. The audio on the 3DS isn't functional yet. I hope they'll find a way to implement it. Vita audio is crystal clear. Other than that, the game runs very good on the 3DS. The visuals are also acceptable. I was surprised cause I thought it's gonna be worse, but no, it's absolutely playable. At least the normal stages. Those special stages, not so much, same as on the Vita, they are running in very low FPS. I also hope this issue can be addressed down the line, cause then the ports would be pleasure to behold. Overall, I'm very impressed with the whole homebrew community. It's really mind-blowing what can be done when one is dedicated enough. Respect to all of you. Both ports are really playable. Vita one is definitely more refined, but if you do not own Vita but only 3DS and you want to play Sonic Mania, then this is the way to go. So again, huge thanks to the developers, great work. Thanks to you for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, join, check the Discord. You'll have a good one, and see you later.